just wanna slow down my heart, walk at the pace of the breeze. I just wanna slow down my mind.
Morning, guys. Today is Thursday. I almost forgot what day it was. We're starting our morning with a workout. So I have a couple workouts lined up. So I hope you guys enjoy. And of course, if you're new here, hi, my name is Shelby and welcome to my channel. And if you're not new here, thanks for sticking around. I'm so happy to see you guys again. Alright guys, so I just finished my workout and now I'm gonna go get dressed real quick.
Now I'm playing in the sand till it turns to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone.
Right, it's skincare time. Make sure this angle's right. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with skincare. First, I go in with The Ordinary hyaluronic acid and something else in it. And B5. We'll pretend like I didn't have to pause and read it. And then of course some sunscreen. We gotta protect our face from the sun. So yeah.
I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving.
Alright,
my secret
moisturizer time.
Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the tour.
The sprinkles or the icing on the cake, you know, just can't really have a successful skincare day if you don't put sunscreen on. Voila! I gotta make sure that in the mirror I didn't miss anything or the camera picks up like spots I didn't get. So now I gotta do my hair and it'll be golden. I just don't want it to look goofy, but I think it actually goes really good together. I don't know. I feel pretty confident about this outfit. This week we have beautiful little daisies, roses, and itty bitty mini flowers. I'm not quite sure what they're called. They are dying a little bit, but I've had them for like 4 or 5 days, but they're still going strong. Loves me when I get them puppuccinos. Oh, puppuccino. Yeah, that caught your attention, a puppuccino. Okay, and then we top off our look with Amazing Grace. Alright guys, so let's go get some coffee and go adventure a little bit. Right, we've ordered our drinks. We're ready to go. Order for Shelby.
For Shelby?
Yes. Oh.
Hi, honey. I know. Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Thank you, honey.
You have a good day. Guys, so this morning I'm surprising my brother with a frappuccino because, yeah, I just feel like it. I want to be a good sister. Guys, I got my pink drink and we're all ready to do some productive work for the day. Look at this cute dog. Look at this cute dog. Favorite fall drink though is a pumpkin chai. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Especially if you get it iced with the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. It's so good, guys. For now, we're sticking with our pink drink until fall comes, and then we might switch it up a little bit, you know, given the season. I think it would be fitting. But yeah, the investment I've made this quarter is in these erasable pens. The best part is like you can just do something and it automatically erases. Like, it's so cool. guys, so I just finished my exam and I got an A! So I am all done with work for today. These are the unhighlighted notes so far. I was able to do quite a bit, actually a couple pages, which was nice. So that, yeah, so right here on is 2 lessons of work. So yeah, it gets a little bulky. Alright guys, so I got my exam score. So I took my first exam in this class. This is chemistry. And let me tell you, college chemistry is a lot different than I originally thought it was. I'm gonna be honest, I thought it was similar to what I learned in high school. And it kind of is, but it isn't. It's definitely a lot different and a lot more problem solving, which I really like. It keeps me on my toes, but in the best way possible. Oh my guys! So, oh my gosh. So I ended up getting a 90. It's like a 90 on this test. So yeah, congratulations! We had a pink drink today for celebratory reasons. Currently it's 1:19 already, which is so crazy. I don't know where time is going. Alright guys, so basically right now I'm gonna make some baked oats. I'm gonna go with banana chocolate baked oats. Actually, I do have a recipe on this and it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try it and we're gonna see, and we'll make an educated decision on whether or not it's worth it. It's very promising, so make sure to link this down below in my video, so if you guys want to check it out and try it for yourself. Depending on our result, we need to get some things out first, such as our beautiful blender, our blender top.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love.
Here we say a quick little prayer, make sure it's all good. Oh my goodness. So it wasn't quite done, but we put it in for another 5 minutes in hopes that it'll be done soon. Alright guys, so here we have this baked oats, which could either be a catastrophe, a monstrosity, or a delightful surprise, you know? Alright, so we got a little of everything. We got some chocolate and some raspberries, so fingers crossed. Actually, very good. A lot better than I was expecting it to be.
She